Hello, students. Welcome to class today. I have an Olympiad question that is under trigonometric function. So I'll be solving it, and I need you to pay attention to see how I'm going to solve this question. Okay. Now, the question wants us to find the value of or the values of theta. Okay. Now, but there's a condition: theta should be an acute angle. You can see theta is greater than 0, greater or equals to 0, but less than or equals to 90, meaning it should be an acute angle. Okay. Now, I'm going to use two methods. Okay. The first one, which is actually a very short method. Then I will now teach you another method that is fairly long. Okay. So method one now. Let's start together with method one. Now, method one is by inspection. If you check, this is 16 and this is 16. The base here is 16, the base there is 16, and we have 8. So it therefore means that it is being divided into equal halves, okay, by inspection now. So we know that 8 is actually 4 plus 4. So either of the two equations, either of the two parts, whether 16 raised to power sine square theta or 16 raised to power cos square theta, should be equals to 4 by inspection. So we can now make it this way. I'll pick the first one. 16 raised to power sine square theta should be equals to 4. So that I'm going to have 4 raised to power 2 raised to power sine square theta should be equals to 4 raised to power 1. So that 4 raised to power 2 sine square theta is going to be equals to 4 raised to power 1. So we can now conclude that 2 sine square theta is equals to 1. Dividing both sides by 2, sine square theta is equals to 1 over 2. So that by the time I square root both sides, I'm going to have sine theta should be equals to plus minus square root of 1 over 2. But recall, we have a condition, okay, that theta should be acute angle. Now, for the fact that the condition stands, then sine theta should be only the positive value, which is going to be root of 1 over 2, which is 1 over root 2. So that theta should be equals to sine inverse of 1 over root 2. And theta is going to be 45 degrees. Okay. If you like, you can use 16 raised to power cos square theta is equals to 4. You end up with the same answer. So we are done with that method. So let's go to the second method, which is method 2 now. So we'll go to method 2. Now, in method 2, it is fairly long. Remember, it is 16 raised to power sine square theta plus 16 raised to power cos square theta is equals to 8. What you do is, in this method, you say, recall, okay, from your trigonometry identities that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. So we can now say that cos square theta should be equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. Then let's now substitute. Substituting, we are going to have 16 raised to power sine square theta, then plus 16 raised to power 1 minus sine square theta is equals to 8. Okay, now from indices, take note of this. From indices, if I have x raised to power n divided by x raised to power m, is going to be x raised to power n minus m, okay, and it is vice versa. So I'm going to now have my 16 raised to power 1 minus sine square theta to be equals to 16 divided by 16 raised to power, this is raised to power 1 anyway, sine square theta, which is going to be 16 over 16 raised to power sine square theta. Then I will now substitute. Substituting, I'm going to have 16 raised to power sine square theta, then plus 16 all over 16 raised to power sine square theta is equals to 8. Okay, so just to make sure that it is not ambiguous, I will say let x be equals to 16 raised to power sine square theta. Okay, if I say so, then I'm going to have x plus 16 all over x is equals to 8. Okay, multiplying through by x, I'm going to have x squared plus 16 is equals to 8x. So that I have x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equals to 0. Now, you agree with me that this is a perfect square equation. So when I solve it quadratically, I'm going to have x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. So x into x minus 4, then minus 4 into x minus 4 is equals to 0. So it's x minus 4 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. So actually x is equals to 4 twice, okay? But it's the same thing, so 4. Then I will now take it back so that I'm going to have, remember we said x is equals to 16 raised to power sine square theta. So therefore, since x is equals to 4, we are going to have 16 raised to power sine square theta is equals to 4. You see, we've gone back to the first method now, so that we are going to have 4 raised to power 2 sine square theta is going to be 4 raised to power 1. So we have 2 sine square theta is equals to 1. So sine square theta is equals to 1 over 2. Okay, when you square root both sides, you have that sine theta is equals to square root of 1 over 2, not 4, sorry, 1 over 2. Now recall, we are dealing with theta being acute, so I will not put plus minus, okay, because I'm talking about acute, so just the positive of it. So it's going to be 1 over root 2, okay, and theta now is going to be sine arc or sine inverse of 1 over root 2, which theta will be equals to 45 degrees. So that is the value for theta. I have two methods that I actually used to solve this question. I want to believe you enjoyed the solution and you understood what I've done very well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see very, very interesting videos that I have and those that I'm going to be publishing soon. Thank you for being here.